If you're fed up with flimsy suitcases that barely survive a single trip, or fighting with zippers that just won't budge, it might be time to upgrade to some serious travel luggage. This isn't just about hauling your clothes from point A to point B. These bags are designed to keep your belongings organized, protected, and easily accessible, no matter where your adventures take you. But with so many options for travel luggage in the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why, in this video, I'll be going over the top 6 best travel luggage. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option, one with a large capacity, or the most durable one, I'll have something for everyone. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the Samsonite Freeform Large Spinner. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. This bad boy is a checked large 28-inch suitcase, and it's got everything you need to make your journey smooth. It's got the hard side exterior that's reliable and durable, so you don't have to worry about your stuff getting squished or damaged. Plus, it's expandable, meaning you can fit in those extra souvenirs or that one more outfit you just had to pack. The real magic, though, is in the double spinner wheels. These wheels make moving through the airport a breeze. They rotate 360 degrees, so you can glide through crowds and tight spaces without any hassle. It's like your suitcase is dancing around everyone else. Inside, there's plenty of room for all your gear. The organization is top-notch with pockets and compartments, so you can keep everything neat and tidy. And this suitcase is built to last and handle whatever your travels throw at it. However, some users have mentioned that the telescoping handle can feel a bit flimsy or wobbly when fully extended, which might make maneuvering the suitcase a bit tricky. Plus, though, the hard side luggage is generally sturdy. Some users have reported that the Freeform can scratch or crack if it takes a significant hit. This can be a bummer if you're hoping for a suitcase that stays looking new over many trips. But overall, these points don't make it a bad choice. The Samsonite Freeform Large Spinner is a sleek and stylish suitcase that offers a good balance between durability and convenience. Its lightweight design and expandable capacity make it a great option for frequent travelers. Number 5 is the Briggs & Riley Extra Large Expandable Spinner. It's a suitcase with the largest capacity on our list. Measures a whopping 31 inches, extra large and expandable, giving you all the space you need. First off, the size is a major win. At 31 inches, you can pack everything you want without having to choose between your favorite outfits. And because it's expandable, you've got even more room for those last-minute additions or knickknacks you find on your trip. But what makes this luggage really cool is the spinner wheels. These aren't just any wheels. They're designed to spin 360 degrees. That means you can maneuver through crowded airports, narrow hotel hallways, and busy streets with ease. It's like the suitcase is gliding beside you, making your travel hassle-free. The design is sleek and classy in black, so you'll look stylish no matter where you go. Inside, it's all about organization. There are plenty of compartments to keep your clothes, shoes, and accessories neat and tidy. Plus, you can trust that this suitcase will withstand the bumps and bangs of travel. However, the baseline series typically comes in classic colors like black, which might not appeal to travelers looking for more vibrant or unique designs. Plus, though it does have some organizational features, it might not be as customizable or compartmentalized as other brands, which could be a drawback for travelers who like a lot of built-in organization. But overall, if you're looking for a high-quality, reliable piece of luggage and are willing to invest, this suitcase could be an excellent choice. Number 4 is the Gonex Rolling Duffel Bag. This is the best duffel bag on our list. Though it isn't just any duffel bag, it's a 25-inch, 70-litre water-repellent beast that's ready for anything. First, the size is perfect. With 70 litres of space, you can pack everything you need, from clothes and shoes to gear and gadgets. It's got that perfect mix of being big enough to fit everything, but not so huge that it's a pain to carry. Now, about those wheels. Forget struggling with heavy bags. This duffel comes with smooth rollers, so you can just pull it along effortlessly. Whether you're trekking through busy airports or hotel lobbies, this bag rolls right beside you like a loyal sidekick. One of the coolest features is its water-repellent fabric. Got caught in the rain? No problem. Your stuff stays dry and safe inside. Plus, it's durable, so it can handle a bit of rough and tumble. Perfect for adventurous trips. Inside, there's plenty of room and compartments to keep everything organized. You won't be digging around for that one lost sock at the bottom of your bag. Everything has its place, making packing and unpacking a breeze. Overall, the Gonex rolling duffel bag is ideal for camping trips, weekend getaways, or even just heading off to college. It's sturdy, spacious, and super easy to move around. And if you want to know the latest prices for the travel luggage discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Level 8 Voyageur luggage. This set is the most stylish option on our list. It's your travel game changer, with 2 pieces that work together to make packing and moving around super smooth. First up, you've got the larger suitcase. It's roomy enough to fit all your clothes, shoes, and whatever else you need for your trip. Think of it like your portable closet. Everything you need, neatly packed in one place. Plus, it's got sturdy wheels and a retractable handle, so you can roll it around the airport without breaking a sweat. The second piece is a smaller bag that's perfect for carry-on or short trips. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to throw over your shoulder or fit in an overhead bin. This bag is great for your essentials. Think toiletries, a change of clothes, and all your important travel documents. Both pieces are made from durable materials, so they can handle the bumps and scrapes of travel. And let's not forget about style. This 2-piece luggage set looks sleek and modern, making you feel like a travel pro. Inside, you've got plenty of pockets and compartments to keep everything organized. No more rummaging around for that lost charger or passport. Everything has its place, making your travel experience stress-free. However, compared to other brands, the Voyageur set may offer fewer advanced features such as built-in locks, expandable compartments, or specialized organizational pockets. This could be a drawback for travelers who value these extras. But overall, the Level 8 Voyageur Luggage 2-piece set offers affordability and basic functionality while offering smart savings. Number 2 is the Pelican 1615 Air Case. This is the most durable luggage on our list. This set has everything you need with a sleek carry-on and a large, hard case, making it the ultimate travel duo. The first thing is its carry-on. It's designed to fit perfectly in overhead bins and is lightweight, making it incredibly easy to haul around. But don't let the weight fool you, this case is tough. It's built to withstand all the bumps and drops that come with travel. Plus, it has smooth, rolling wheels and a comfy handle, so you can glide through the airport like a pro. Then there's the large, hard case. This one's a beast, ready to hold all your gear for longer trips. You can pack clothes, shoes, gadgets, and more without worrying about space. It's got the same rugged build as the carry-on, meaning your stuff is safe no matter how rough the journey gets. It's waterproof, dustproof, and crush-proof. Basically, it's like having a mini fortress for your belongings. Inside, you'll find plenty of space and compartments to keep everything organized. No more messy bags where you can't find anything. This case helps you keep your stuff neat and easy to access. However, this case can be harder to maneuver, especially in crowded places like airports. It doesn't glide as smoothly as some high-end spinner suitcases. Overall, the Pelican 1615 Air Case has got you covered. So, pack up, roll out, and travel. Knowing your gear is safe and secure, it's the perfect luggage for anyone who wants reliability and style on the go. Number 1 is the Travelpro Platinum Elite Luggage. This is the best Softside luggage on our list. This 29-inch beauty is built to handle whatever your travel plans throw at it. First, let's talk about size. At 29 inches, this suitcase is large enough to fit everything you need. Heading out for a 2-week vacation? No problem. The expandable feature means you can squeeze in those extra outfits or souvenirs without a hitch. Now, onto the wheels. This suitcase has 8 wheel spinners that glide smoothly in any direction. Picture yourself effortlessly navigating through crowded airports or hotel lobbies. It's like your suitcase is floating beside you. Plus, the TSA lock keeps your belongings secure, so you don't have to stress about your stuff. The Softside design gives it a bit of flexibility, which is awesome for fitting in those tight spaces or cramming in that last-minute item. Inside, you'll find plenty of compartments to keep your things organized. There are pockets for your shoes, toiletries, and even a spot for your dirty laundry. Everything stays neat and easy to find, so you can enjoy your trip the most. It also comes in different carry-on sizes and checked large and medium sizes to suit your preferences and style. However, as with most Softside luggage, the zippers can be a potential weak point. If overpacked, they might be prone to damage or malfunction. Despite this potential drawback, the Travelpro Platinum Elite Luggage is a top-notch choice for travelers seeking a balance of style, functionality, and convenience. Its expandable design 8-wheel spinner system, and built-in TSA lock make it incredibly user-friendly and versatile for both short and long trips. The sleek shadow black finish adds a touch of sophistication that makes sure you travel in style. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect travel luggage much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.